Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Happy Crafty Easter video. Today I have another easy insert card for you. This is my 2 Easter eggs insert card. How fun is this design? You have those 2 Easter eggs there, you have the Happy Easter sentiment there, there's plenty of space on the inside for your message, and I included an envelope as well. I can't wait to show this one to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your Cricut cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Happy Crafty Easter 2026. If you're watching this video during the event, you can download the cut file on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can either purchase the individual cut file for this project in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. If you're interested in all 12 event files, video tutorials, printable worksheets, commercial licensing, and a bonus bundle of 12 more Easter cut files, you can purchase the VIP Access Pass using the link in the video description. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's first find the envelope. Click on this icon to drop down the layers, highlight this top layer, come up to the operation menu and change that to score, highlight the group, and attach. And we need to do the same thing to the card base. Once you've converted the score lines for the envelope and the card base, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I've gotten everything all cut out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now the first thing I'm going to do is fold and burnish the score line on the card base. And now I'll open up the card and place that insert inside. And there is our little card. I'm going to set that to the side. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. We're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Now let's take that inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip it around and place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around, bring in those side flaps, add glue to the bottom of those side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And then that forms your envelope. And our insert card is all set. Wasn't this one really easy to put together? Really fun. I didn't mention it in the beginning of the video, but like all of my insert cards, this can be made on any Cricut cutting machine, ranging from the Cricut Joy all the way up to the Cricut Maker 4, as well as the Cricut Venture. Now, one of our premium Crafter Club members, Ted, actually said that this would be perfect for EMTs or anyone who works in a hospital, because the zigzag there kind of looks like a monitor does for like your heart or for an EKG or things like that. So he said that would be perfect. I thought it was hilarious. I didn't even think that when I was designing it. So I said that I was going to give him a little shout out in the video, and he's kind of right. It would be perfect for anyone that works in the medical field. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Happy Crafty Easter video. Bye-bye.